Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I am Nimira, and I'm going to explain how to expand the question m plus 2n to the whole square using the second identity. First, we should write down the whole value, which is m plus 2n whole square. Then we should write down the formula, which is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we should find out what is a and what is b. Here, according to the question, a is m and the b is 2n. Then we'll substitute the values, which is m, which will give 2 m plus 2n whole square is equal to m square plus 2 into m into 2n plus 2n square. Then once we find that out, we shall solve it and we will get m square plus 4mn plus 4n square.
Example 1. The title of Unit 4, Building Bridges. Going ahead, almost we are going to reach our target. We are going to complete our chapter 2, Identities. First example I'm going to explain. Yes. Already we have completed Identity 1, Identity 2, 3 and 4. Now today we are going to learn mixed sum based on identity. Example 1. Simplify simplify 178 into 178 minus 34 into 34 whole divided by 144 using, or no problem, we have to simplify by using identity, not 178 into 178 multiply, again 34 into 34 multiply, again subtract divided by 144. No, here this question we are going to solve by using identity. Simplify 178 into 178 minus 34 into 34 divided by 144. I request everyone, stop writing, concentrate here. 178 into 178 minus 34 into 34 divided by 144. This was the question. How to simplify this question? I request everyone, stop writing, concentrate here. Yes. Concentrate here, everyone. I want to simplify 178 into 178 minus 34 into 34 divided by 144 by using identity. How to simplify? Firstly, I want to catch this question. What question he has given? First, he has given 178 into 178. It means A into A. It means he has given A into A minus B into B. Are you getting my point? A into A minus B into B. A into A is what? A square minus B square. Are you getting my point? In numerator, he has given A into A. We have assumed what is A here? A is 178 and B is 34. A is 178, B is 34. It means numerator it is forming a square minus b square identity. A into a minus b into b. It means a square minus b square. Numerator we are observing, it is giving a square minus b square. It means a square minus b square is equal to first bracket a plus b into a minus b. The value of a we have written here 178. The value of a is 178 and the value of b is 34. It means in numerator I want to apply a square minus b square formula. In numerator we want to apply a square minus b square formula. Concentrate everyone here, don't write anything. First observe how to catch this question, which formula we are going to apply. Okay, we are observing here 178 square minus 34 square divided by 144. Can I write like that? Can I write like that? Yes, because 178 is coming 2 times, 34 is coming 2 times. Now numerator is we are observing a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The value of a 178, the value of b 34. This formula we are applying only in numerator, not in denominator. We are not touching anything to denominator. Only we are going to apply formula in numerator. Now we are going to apply a formula in numerator. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. What is the value of a here? 178 plus 34, first bracket. Second bracket, 178 minus 34. I am not touching my denominator. Whatever denominator is there, I am writing as it is. Now 178 plus 34, 212. 212 into 178 minus 34 is equal to 144. Whole divided by 144. 144 is numerator, 144 is denominator. Our answer is 212. Interesting question. Are you getting my point, students? Firstly, I have observed in numerator it is looking like a square minus b square. The value of a is 178. The value of b is 34. Now I have applied a square minus b square identity in numerator. 178 plus 34 into 178 minus 34. 178 plus 34, 212 into 178 minus 34 is equal to 144. 144 numerator, denominator cancel out. Our answer is 212. Write down everyone. Example 2. Final answer, students, you have to write 178 into 178 minus 34 into 34 divided by 144, it is equal to 212. This final answer we have to write with the help of black pen. Therefore, example 2, simplify 103 into 103 minus 3 into 3 divided by 106. Simplify 103 into 103 minus 3 into 3 divided by 106 by using identity. I hope students you are getting idea how to solve this question. Numerator is coming a square minus b square, right? Start solving along with me. I want to write question again. One not 3 into 103 minus 3 into 3 whole divided by 106. In numerator, we are observing 103 into 103 how many times? 2 times. It means 103 whole square minus 3 whole square whole divided by 106. Now, numerator we are observing, it is looking like a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Then we can write here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The value of a is 103. The value of b is 3. This identity we are going to apply in numerator. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. What is the value of a? Yo. One not 3 into 103 minus 3 into 3 whole divided by 106. I have written here 103 whole square minus 3 whole square divided by 106. It is looking like a square minus b square in numerator. I want to apply identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The value of a is 103. The value of b is 3. I want to apply this identity in numerator. I can write here a plus b means 103 plus 3 into a minus b 103 minus 3 whole divided by 106. I have to simplify 103 plus 103 106 into 100 divided by 106. 106, this 106 cancel out, answer is 100. Example 3. If x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 2, find the value of x square plus y square. Last question of this chapter. Question A is given x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 2, is asking x square plus y square is equal to question mark. There is one more identity, note down, this is special identity. X square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. This is one more identity. X square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Now I want to find out the value of x square plus y square. X plus y whole square. X plus y value what he has given 6. 6 whole square minus 2 into xy value 2. 6 square is not 12. 6 square means 36. 6 into 6. X square plus y square is equal to 36 minus 4. X square plus y square is equal to 32. Take fresh page on the top, keep heading. Chapter 3, factorization. Chapter 3, factorizations. RIZATION या SATION. Keep heading. What is factorization? Let's keep heading. Factorization. What is the meaning of factor? The process of writing the process of writing an algebraic expression as the product of two or more expressions is called factorization. Here we are going to learn algebraic factorization. Already factor concept already I have explained to you in the unit 3. Suppose I want to find out factor of 15. It means I want to check 15 will come in which table. 15 will come 1 table, 3 table, 5 table, 15 table. This is called factor. If I am talking about prime factor, I want to check prime factor means 1 into 3 into 5. Prime factor will never end with original number, but factor end with original number. This concept already I have explained in the unit 3, but difference between factor and prime factor. If I am talking about prime factor, that number will never end with original number. But here we are going to learn how to do factor of given algebra. Suppose I am writing one term. What is term? Term is the number of variables, a product of number and variables. Suppose I am writing here 5ab. If I want to find out factor of 5ab, means 5 comma a comma b. This is called factor. This is called factor, means I want to split. If I have written here 3a square b, it means 3 comma a comma a comma b. Factor of 3a square b. We'll learn detail in the tomorrow's class. Don't worry.